Hi everyone, my name's Steve Offit. I am attending BYU Idaho and working. I'm originally from Charlestown, West Virginia, although I have lived in 7 different states. This is West Virginia. I live right here where the peaches are. Martinsburg is about 20 minutes from my house. And there's a really cool place you may have heard of called Harper's Ferry. This is what it looks like. You can climb this hill over here, climb up on top of these rocks, and then you have this beautiful view where the Shenandoah River and the Potomac River collide right there. Thomas Jefferson said that he was standing over here, actually up here on this hill by this graveyard right there. And he said that this is a site to cross the Atlantic to sea. So that's something cool about where I grew up. I have a couple of siblings. Let me figure out where to put those pictures. I have one brother who just graduated from the Marine Corps, and a sister who is the only child at home now. And I also have another brother, and he is married. I made some pictures here. Okay. This is my brother, Preston. He graduated from the Marine Corps, and my mom and dad, and my sister, Maddie. And this is my other brother, Jeremy, and his wife. I recently got married to this beautiful girl, Kylie Paul, and we are both students here at BYU Idaho. So that's pretty fun. Some things about me is I love to play the guitar. I also really love to listen to Blink-182, and I love to just work and have a good time. I served a mission to Salt Lake City. My parents came to visit a year or 2 years ago to Salt Lake City West Mission. It was an awesome time, and I really enjoyed it, and it's cool to be so close to it now. This summer I'm working at a camp called Outdoors for Youth. If any of you know any youth that are looking for a cool outdoor camp to go to, similar to EFY, but we go rafting, ziplining, we do ropes courses, and have tons of fun, then check out this website. Right now we're setting up camp, and it's a lot of awesome work. Oh, this is a picture of me on the mission and one of my companions. So that's a little bit about me. I'm excited for this class and to learn more about the development of human life.